Hello mga pangga, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a donut egg sandwich and a donut hamburger. Yes, I am excited to see whether it would work or it will be good or not. So let's see it together. Join me. I want a sunny side up egg on my sandwich. Of course, if you don't want a sunny side up, you can always make a fried egg. I am oiling my pan for the burger patty, so this is where I'm going to cook the burgers. That's how I cook my sunny side up. I don't want a crispy side, so I took it away from the fire after 2 to 3 minutes and let it cook in the pan without fire. And this is my burger. This is a homemade burger. These burger patties are better than the McDonald's and Burger King burger patties. Psst, don't tell them. Anyway, please click your notification bell on so that you will not miss when I upload how I made this homemade homemade burger patties. It is very good. It's delicious burger. It's just like the high-end restaurant hamburger. Yes. This is my very own burger patties recipe. I never buy a burger patties from the store anymore from long time ago. Maybe I think 3 years already. Yes, because the burger patties from the stores, they put fillings or fillers to it. But while the homemade, you know what you put in it and it's all good ingredients. You don't put any artificial stuffs in it. While the patties are still hot, I'm gonna put the cheese. I'm using Havarti cheese. You can use any cheese that you want. Now it's time to make hamburger. So these are unglazed donut. I intentionally did not glaze this for this purpose. So we're just going to slice the donut into half, and I am going to put my latest choice sandwich spread mayonnaise. Yeah. And I have my other ingredients such as tomatoes, lettuce, and what else? What's the red one? Ketchup. Sorry mga pangga. Yeah, and I also have onion. Yeah, you can personalize your hamburgers and you can put anything you want. Yeah, that's the best thing when you make your own hamburger, because you can do whatever you want. You can put whatever you want in the hamburger to make it delicious. Yeah. My kids are hungry. Oh boy. I'm so excited. I'm drooling. I hope this tastes good. This is our lunch. So if this one will not work, I don't know what we're going to eat. Maybe just donut. Donut for lunch. So it's just like that. Very simple and easy mga pangga. You just need to have your burger patties. But don't you worry, I am going to give it to you. Just click your notification bell so that you will not miss when I upload it. Okay mga pangga, here we go.
Mga pangga?
The moment of truth. We'll see if it's good or not. See, I can see it's juicy already. The sauce is dripping.
But that's a do burger. A donut. Actually. What are you trying to do?
It's good. Pwede mga pangga. Yes, very good. Now let's try the egg first. Next. Now this is the egg.
We do here.
Can you please put the egg? My boy or my girl took an egg out the fridge.
We go to the doggy. We go to
So mga pangga,
here. And
donut burger is delicious. It's very good. It's just like the regular burgers that you can eat at the restaurant. Yeah. So pwedeng pwede ang donut burger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give me some thumbs up and subscribe if you're not my subscriber yet. Okay? And click the notification bell so that you will get notification every time I have a new upload. So I will see you next time on my next video. Bye bye. Gotta go enjoy this burger.